Hey, have you heard about the Introduction to HTML course?
Yes, I have. It's a great way to get started in web development and build your own website.
That sounds interesting. Do I need any prior experience to excel in this course?
No, this course is designed for beginners. You will start with the basics and apply the practical knowledge you learn through hands-on application and examples every step of the way.
What will I learn in this course?
You will learn the basics of HTML, including text formatting, links, images, and tables. By the end of the course, you will have built 2 professional resume websites, which you can use to showcase your web development skills and impress potential employers.
That sounds like a great way to get started in web development. How long does the course take?
The course takes about 6 weeks to complete, but you can work at your own pace and complete it faster if you have more time available.
I'm excited to get started. Where can I find more information about this course?
You can find more information about this course on the website of the online learning platform offering it. They have a detailed course description, including the syllabus, learning objectives, and pricing.